think this needs more of it. Do you think it needs more?
Does it? Yeah, do it.
Hey, thank you everybody for tuning in once again. This video was a little bit less about the actual production, a little bit less about the video, and very much, I suppose even a little bit less about the preparation of the food, and much more of a how-to video on how to cook a steak, which I think is important. Everybody should know how to cook a steak. A couple of takeaways that I hope that you guys got was bringing the steak to room temperature, basically getting the pan really hot. Don't be afraid of a hot pan, and a little butter never hurt anybody. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you get to try it. It is an amazing way to have a salad. It's still pretty healthy, and it's Friday night here, so this is our little Friday night before we go out, but a steak salad. So yeah, I hope it was enjoyable. We'll see you guys tomorrow, I'm sure, and yeah, keep watching, keep subscribing, keep liking the videos, and we'll see you soon. Cheers.